Here we are on my profile, and we're going to go over Instagram TV today. That is IGTV for short, and you can see that right here just below my bio. Now, if you don't already have an IGTV account, it doesn't just show up in this area. It's in a really weird place. You have to push the home area, and right up here next to the Instagram logo to the right, you're going to see this TV button, and you will click that, and that's how you will make what they call your channel. So that's how you get that set up. Okay, once you have that set up, you can go back to your profile and you can upload your Instagram TV from right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click that, and as you can see, we just uploaded a video yesterday right here. It's a super cool feature because it's kind of like having YouTube right on your profile. Now, we actually made this video for YouTube, as you can see the way it was shot. What you want to do for Instagram TV is shoot vertically, you know, like with your phone this way, so it fits in entirely. What I had to do here was kind of fill up the empty space right here and right here. So there's that. Now I'm gonna go down here, and just like a normal Instagram post, you can see the heart, the comments. You can share this to your story. Definitely recommend doing that. Now I'm going to go ahead and click the three little dots right there. You can hardly see them, but you can see the insights, and I'm going to go ahead and click that. So you can see it's had 1,500 views, 285 likes, 22 comments. Average percentage watch is 3. So I don't know what the magic ticket is to get people to watch longer content. I really don't, but it's good to have up there. It's good statistics, and you can kind of figure out at what point people dropped off, and just figure out, you know, what you could have done better or where they lost interest, basically. So you can swipe over, and that's the next one, like the last Instagram TV that you posted. Okay, so you can see we've kind of gotten better and better with this, but I'm gonna go ahead and close that out. So that's Instagram TV in a nutshell. I'm gonna go back to the home page, and I'm gonna click the TV, and this is where you can watch other people's Instagram TV. Right here, I'm gonna click popular just to see what's going on, like right there. It's a really cool feature, and it's a shame that not many people use it on Instagram, but a lot of people are saying that it'll probably wind up getting big. It's just another facet. So let's say you have a YouTube and you want to share that content on Instagram as well to keep it all on the same platform. Upload that stuff. You can upload up to an hour's worth of footage in a minimum of 1 minute. What else here? So whenever anyone that you follow uploads an Instagram TV, there'll be like a notification up here. Some people, I've even gotten notifications on my phone of when people upload Instagram TVs. So I say if it's there, use it. Why not? And while we're here, I want to throw in one more thing. I'm gonna click the story icon, and down here where it says normal, type, live, and boomerang, if you click that live, you can go live, and all of your followers will get a notification that you're live, and you'll get top priority up there in this area. I have never done it just because I'm terrified of it, and if I did, I don't know what I would do. So if you're brave enough, definitely do it, because that is the #1 way you will get into the eyes of your followers. So I definitely recommend it if you have the nerve to do it. So all right, that's about it for Instagram TV. If you have any questions, please leave some comments down below. Thanks for watching.
It's coming from the Wicked Griffin.
Super
and
loud.
Today I've the origins of the rules.
That was ridiculous.